Hello my dear students, welcome back to Ishta Tutorials. I hope that you all are doing well. As we all know that Maths Olympiad exam, that is IMO grade 7, will be conducting in the month of November 2024, and I think it's a right time to start your preparation. But before getting into the video, let's understand its exam pattern and syllabus. The whole paper are divided into four sections. Section 1, 2, 3 and 4. Section 1 is regarding verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Section 2 is your current syllabus, that is grade 7 syllabus. Section 3 is everyday mathematics, and section 4 is a high order thinking question, or you can say achiever section. In the last slide, as we see, the paper are divided into four sections. There are total 50 questions and total marks are 60. Logical reasoning is the first section containing number of questions 15 and of 15 marks. Mathematical reasoning, number of questions are 20 containing 20 marks. And everyday mathematics having 10 questions, 1 marks each, having total marks 10. Whereas in achiever section, the number of questions are 5 and each question contains 3 marks, and therefore total marks are 15.